Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take screenshots on Lenovo Legion Go. To do this, first you'll need to open your Legion Space app. You can click on this button right here to open it instantly. Then open Menu on the bottom left corner of the screen and move to that gear icon to open the settings. Here scroll down and locate screenshots. There's a screenshot shortcut which is R button and Y3. R button is this button right here, and Y3 is located right here. Now click on both of the buttons to take a screenshot, and you can see the pop-up in the bottom right corner. And you can also find the screenshot folder right here and open it instantly if you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.